favorite part of kayaking. Okay, shove off. Yeah. Yeah, all we've done so far is eat like an apple out here. We haven't had dinner. That was a nice dinner. The sun is low in the sky, Benjamin Wonder. The sun is low in the sky. Are you having fun? Remember, we want to stay pretty far out. Go straight out. There you go. True up. Head straight out. Straight out. Don't angle here. Go straight out. See where it's a little surfy out there? That's where you want to be. You are angling and you're going to be walking. You want to go straight out. What's that? You want to get in the middle of the harbor. What's that? Yeah, it's nice, huh? See that house at 12 o'clock for me? We're going to aim for that house, and then we're going to make a right. You what? You like how it's bumpy? Yeah. No, you're not touching the ground. No, you're not touching the rocks. No. Your kayak may be popping on the water. You may be feeling your kayak come down off of a little ripple. No, it's too deep here for your. Okay. Really, it's not deep enough here for your paddle to hit the bottom. Okay, fall in front of me, Ben. Yeah, come in on my left. Yeah, but you don't want to be walking. What? Oh, that sun is low in the sky, son. It's time to head home to Mama. What? Don't get any closer to the shore. This is where it's shallow. Any closer to this and it gets shallow. What's that? Well, we're not at high tide, but you're right, the tide is coming in, which is good. That's good for us here. look so good in that kayak, Ben. What's that? Well, you do look particularly good in my hat. It's nice to have the ripples in the water, huh? It makes it interesting. You wish it was wavy? A little bit at a time. Yeah, you see the bridge already? This is a pretty fun adventure, huh, Ben? No. Thank you. See the gentle touch I give you? Thank you. I'm actually nervous out here. And I really don't want to spill, okay? What? Well, I'm nervous to dunk. I'd rather that I'm pushing my boat around instead of a different person. No, it's not shallow. You can go as close or as far away as you want here. It's just a straight shot to the bridge from here. Yeah, these waves are actually pretty big, huh? T-boning is very smart over here. Not that I'm doing that. What's that?